Alright guys, Reverend Colonel back here again, and this is what blew in my street. And we're still getting the light snow mixed with rain. Looks like somebody's, I think it's somebody's porch cover. It just took the whole thing. Wood and all. You know, wait for this to all clear up and maybe we'll move it out of the way. I'm not sure which neighbor's house it came from. Looks like, oh, there's a trail. There's a trail of it here. Yeah. Wow. That thing got picked up, flew up in the air, and came crashing down all around here. Craziness. Everybody stay safe out there. Reverend Colonel signing out.